Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in textbooks. We want to find the reduced carbon dioxide. So we've got 14,001 kilowatt hours of electricity used per year, 901 gallons of oil during heating season, and the oil emits 26.5 pounds of carbon dioxide per gallon. The result for electricity usage is 1.55 pounds of carbon dioxide per kilowatt hour. And the electricity consumption is reduced by 16%. Okay, so there's no free body diagram, so we can skip Step 1. Step 2, list all the given variables. Find the reduction in carbon dioxide produced. So we just talked about all these variables. And we're trying to find the CO2 reduction. Step 3, find the formula for the CO2 reduction. So it is the reduced percentage, which is 16%, multiplied by the current amount of CO2 production. So they give us the reduction percentage, but we need to find the actual amount. So that's our step 4. Find the formula for that. So the amount produced is the amount of electricity consumed multiplied by carbon dioxide per kilowatt hour plus the amount of fuel oil consumed multiplied by the amount of carbon dioxide per gallon. So step 5, we're gonna plug and play and find the amount of carbon dioxide produced. So all of these are given in the question. So we got the 14,001 kilowatt hours multiplied by 1.55 pounds of carbon dioxide per kilowatt hour plus 901 gallons of fuel multiplied by 26.5 pounds of carbon dioxide per gallon. That'll give you 45,578.05 pound mass per year. Now that we have that, we can backtrack to step 6, find the reduction in carbon dioxide, which is what we want. Okay, so 16% multiplied by the 45,578.05 pound mass per year. That will give you 7,292.488 CO2 pound mass per year. So LBM represents pound mass. And of course, CO2 is carbon dioxide. Disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not on your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Once it's open, click on the video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool. Wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.